Come on down here, something different down here.
A masterpiece alien movie scene, the iconic encounter of the Nostromo crew with the Space Jockey, can become a part of your collection. A massive, fossilized humanoid body has been recreated with meticulous attention to every detail of the original design.
Alien life form. Looks like it's been dead a long time.
The Space Jockey's pilot chair is horrifically authentic.
Looks like it's grown out of the chair.
Adapting this gigantic engineer for 3D printing only took the Gambody team a total of 72 hours. As in the original horror movie, the jockey's body has a hole from a chestburster.
Like he exploded from inside.
I wonder what happened to the rest of the crew.
What do you got? See what you make of this.